Hazrat Umar bin Khattab was one of the most influential and powerful leaders who succeeded Hazrat Abu Bakr as the second Caliphate Rashidun. Acquire knowledge and teach people, learn along with it dignity and tranquility and humility. Acquire knowledge before you become leaders, and pride prevents you from learning and you live in ignorance. As long as you are pure of heart, you speak the truth. Do not allow wealth to circulate only among the rich. Do not be misled by hearing of anyone's reputation. Do not close your door to the people or allow the strong to oppress the weak. Do not grieve over what has passed, unless it makes you work harder for what is about to come. Do not put off today's work until tomorrow, lest work accumulate and you achieve nothing. Do not trust the character of one who cannot control his temper. Earning of livelihood by following some profession is better than living on charity.